Today I'm going to tell you how, as a 14-year-old filmmaker, I have made over £1,000, and I'm going to cover the different steps that I went through to make sure those companies found out what I could offer them. Let's get started. So, first of all, you have to start making films for free. This may seem like a downside initially because you're doing all that work and effort for free, but in my case, I made one film for free and I've now had over 20 jobs that have come from it, and they were all paid. Now this is great because when I did all those free jobs, I was building my portfolio so companies could see what I can offer them, and my experience grew on what shots I need to get, how long I should aim to try and make the films, what sort of text I should put in the films, how long or how in depth they are. You just learn from experience, so always making something new for free, even if it's better if it's paid, but just the process of doing things over and over again always will help build your experience and build that portfolio. Let's go to the second step. So when you're on set, just be nice to them, because they're not going to suggest you if you were really grumpy the whole time. But if you were nice and you were really cooperative and you tried different things and you gave them a good film, they're much more likely to suggest you to a friend or another company that they know, because they're not going to suggest you if you weren't helpful or your film wasn't to the best quality that it could have been. Also, when you are editing a film, do put the time and effort into it, because it may seem like that extra hour which isn't being paid isn't worth it. But think about it, if you didn't put that extra hour in and it was a bit more of a scruffy edit, you're much less likely for that free film to be noticed and actually go somewhere and get you more paid jobs. Let's cut to the third tip. So the third tip is to put yourself out there. So what I mean is, send emails to companies that you could see in a magazine or on Instagram or on anything on social media. Even if you see they've already have a film, you never know, they could want another film made. So you should always email them, offer them at a cheaper price, because you never know, they could offer you more if they really like the film. Get that film done, and then you never know, they could say, oh, we also have another job next week, would you want to film this for us? And then it will just grow and grow, and then you're going to have more jobs, more money coming in, and you're going to be a better filmmaker from the experience that you're going to be getting. Let's go to the last tip. So the fourth and final tip is to make sure you're not too picky on the jobs that you do. So if you keep saying no to films that you don't 100% want to do, you're not going to build your experience or your portfolio. Now if you don't build your portfolio, there's less likely you're going to get jobs that you do want to do. So don't be too picky, put yourself out there. So that's the video. I'm going to ice it in 3 days. So if you want a specific video made out there, make sure you leave that in the comment section so I can try integrate that into the final film. Thank you for watching, make sure you like and subscribe.